Hello and welcome to SmartPrep. Today we will be doing an NBT AQL past paper. We will now go through our NBT AQL practice test 2. And we will start with Part A, Scrambled Text. Our Scrambled Text is where we will now try to fix the puzzle and put the sentences that have been given to us in the correct order. They've given us sentences A until E, and we will then put them in order once I finish reading each sentence. So I'll start with A. Even more remarkably, it was the 7th consecutive year of above average growth in international tourism following the 2009 global economic crisis. B. In 2016, international tourist arrivals grew in an otherwise low growth environment by a significant 3.9% to reach a total of 1,235 million worldwide. C. Just how strong that further growth will be depends, however, as always, on a number of factors that are difficult to predict at the present. D. A comparable sequence of uninterrupted solid growth has not been recorded since the 1960s and augurs well for further growth in 2017. E. This constitutes a quite remarkable increase of 46 million over the number of arrivals of the previous year. Now let's go ahead and underline the answers as per the correct order. The first answer, or the first order to the questions that we have below. Number 1, which sentence did you put first? It would be B. Which sentence did you put second? Our answer would be E. Which sentence did you put third? Your answer would then be correct, A. Which sentence did you put fourth? It would be D. Which sentence did you put fifth? Our answer would then be C. See, there you go. That's how you answer your scrambled text when you're taking this test. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share our videos.
Right, thank you, Machepo. Now, if you guys would like more NBT AQL preparation videos, click on this playlist right here. And if you would like help with NBT Maths preparation, this playlist right here. And if we helped you, please like, subscribe over here. Thanks very much, and see you on the next one.